In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do when your League of Legends game isn't opening up properly. So when you click it, it just doesn't appear. Now it's very easy, so let's get straight into the tutorial. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that there is no process running any background. So simply open up the start icon. You'll find this at the bottom left of your screen. So go ahead and head over to the start icon of your laptop or your PC. Right click it and go to the task manager. From here, go ahead and click on task manager. Now once you find the task manager, go ahead and look for Riot on the task manager or League of Legends. So go ahead and scroll down and look for that specific application from your task manager. Now if it does run on the background, go ahead and right click on it and click on add task. You'll be able to minimize it from running on the background. Now the next thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and right click on League of Legends. Now click on open file location. Now this will redirect you to the file location on the file manager of the League of Legends. From here, go ahead and look for the executable file of League of Legends. Right click the executable file and head over to the properties tab. So click on properties. You'll find this at the bottom. Now from here, go ahead and head over to compatibility tab. So click on that compatibility tab. Now in here, go ahead and disable full screen optimization and run the program as administrator. After you enable all of that necessary configurations, go ahead and click on that apply button at the bottom right of your screen to apply this to the application. Now once you apply this and once you reopen or try to reopen League of Legends, the app will successfully be accessible on your device, and that is how you can simply fix League of Legends not opening.